The 2026 Hyundai Palisade continues to build its reputation as a family-focused sport utility vehicle, and its latest passenger-side small overlap crash test result adds real confidence for buyers who prioritize safety. This is one of the most demanding frontal crash scenarios, designed to simulate a collision where only a small portion of the front corner strikes an obstacle, putting stress on the vehicle structure and safety systems. In this test, the 2026 Palisade earned a good rating from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety on the passenger side small overlap evaluation. The structure held together extremely well, maintaining the integrity of the safety cage and limiting intrusion into the passenger compartment. That matters because it directly affects how well occupants are protected during a real-world crash. The test dummy measurements showed low risk of injury across critical areas, including the head, neck, chest, hips, thighs, and lower legs. Restraint systems worked as intended, keeping the dummy properly positioned while the airbags deployed in a controlled and effective way. There was no concerning movement toward hard structures inside the cabin, which is often a problem area in small overlap impacts. What stands out is how balanced the protection is on the passenger side, an area that historically lagged behind driver-side testing across the industry. Hyundai clearly engineered the Palisade with symmetrical crash protection in mind, making sure front seat passengers receive the same level of safety as the driver. For families who regularly carry passengers in the front seat, this result is reassuring. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade shows that advanced structural design and modern safety technology can work together to protect everyone inside the vehicle, not just the person behind the wheel. If safety is high on your shopping list, this is a result worth paying attention to.